Back. This is Vlogmas Day 3, and we're doing a Pinkmas theme. Jolly, undulating pink ribbon with pink candy stripes Christmas card. I love that theme. I got inspired when I was shopping, and I saw all the Pinkmas and pastel Christmas decor. That's one of the really pretty aesthetics you can put instead of the red and green or traditional type. It's just a little something fun, and this card will be perfect for the pink lover in your life. I know I love pink, so let's get started. Everything will be time-lapse today. Just follow along. Please make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Make sure your notification bell is pressed, because we'll be having a lot of fun, and you'll know when my next video is ready. Let's go over quickly. These are the supplies. I'm going to be using the exact same supplies, pretty much the same painting techniques that I always use. As you can see, these are, if you can read that, I get these, you can pick these up at any craft store. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They are for card making. I'm using a hot press watercolor paper and attaching it with a glue stick to the pre-folded card. And I'm going to be using my Jane Davenport pan watercolor paints. Look like this. Everything's been used because I've been using them a lot. I'm using 2 different rounds. I'm using a size 16, and I believe I have another one. Let me show you which one I'm using the most. It's the fine. These are the different fine liners you can use. I really love the size 8 in the Fine Touch. I get those from Hobby Lobby. Here's some other ones in different sizes, but they're very similar. Fine Touch in a size 10, and then here's the Princeton number 2. So as you can see, those are all fine liners. Once again, that's the Hobby Lobby hot press watercolor paper, and you could use any watercolor paper or paints you want to use. It's up to you. Let's have some fun, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3, another Christmas card. First, we're going to start with a round circular sketch of a ribbon with a bow at the top. Just keep sketching with a regular pencil. If you need to erase anything, do that. If you run into trouble, not a problem. I'm just sketching along, twisting and turning that ribbon in a circular fashion, as you can see, and have fun sketching it out. Okay, our jolly little Pinkmas by Pinkmas Aesthetic for Christmas card. It's so jolly with its undulating pink ribbon and pink candy stripes. I'm going to go ahead and attach that like I did in the other one. The other card that I made, the poinsettia, I'm going to attach it to the pre-folded card with the glue stick. I used the same exact materials, except for I added just a pinch of white gouache to the red and a little hunter green to write the jolly. Nothing to this. Take your time. Hope you had fun. And it's going to look really cute in our holiday decor. I'm going to add it to mine, and I'll show you how that looks after I get it attached to the card. It's a really cute pink and gold and Christmassy gingerbread kind of theme. As you can see, I have a lot of cute pink stuff. My pink sparkly candle. Here's our jolly Christmas card with pink stripes and undulating ribbon. Gingerbread man, cute little floral bow. You can mix and match your pinks and golds. That looks really pretty. It really goes with that Pinkmas theme. All right, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on Vlogmas Day 4. Another Christmas card.